Okay, it's another DIY Monday video, and I was showing you everybody what I'm doing with my basement, and removed all the paneling except for the wall under the steps. And I checked out my wall going up. I see where it was cut uneven, so I was have to fill that in and then paint the wall. I'm gonna put the panels, these from here down, because if you have this wall painted, I'm going to paint this wall, and this is all stucco, so this is going to go to here about, so and then I'm going to frame it off and go right around the basement. I'll be right back and I'll explain everything to you. So what I'm going to do, I'm back, is paint the entire wall. I'm leaving this alone. I'm not painting this. I'm painting this wall. I'm not putting the paneling on this wall, because this wall is basically got the stucco on it to the thing. So I'm going to stop here. I'm going to put a piece of molding here to here and come across here. Have to fill this in over here. Show you this right here. As you can see here, they didn't cut it right, so I have to spackle this. The spackle. Cut the flooring here. Get rid of all this paneling, and keep the trim to trim off everything neatly. So in other words, I'm going to put the trim all the way up here to here. I would say that would separate this wall from the basement. I was thinking maybe just put the trim there to here where I do the paneling. In other words, right here, from the bottom up to here, and just trim it off all the way around. It'll be a little lower because the wall is stucco to here. The only thing I'm going to cut out is the bottom there and the pieces here. So I'm going to make 2 pieces of plasterboard treated. So that's basically where I stand right now with this. The rug is cleaned. I'm going to clean it again when we're done, but I'm not going to clean it anymore. This I'm leaving here. So what I may do is take the light and is trim it and put it here in the hallway so that you see it, and leave this thing, or just leave it where it is. I don't know yet. Like I said, that's working on it. And then the next thing I have to do, so all I have to do is take this piece off, and behind the fish tank, which I'll be doing on Fish Tank Thursdays, this fish tank is coming into that room, and I'm going to be set up on the other side of the 20-gallon long tank. And I'm going to be putting the mollies and platies in here, and doing something else with those 2 tanks on the bureau there. So here's where we stand. Next week we'll be painting, replacing the ceiling tiles, and putting the sheetrock in the wall down here. We see where it's opened right here. Where this is opened, this will come off, and I'll repair the sheetrock. and then paint as much as I can, spackle it. I wanted to do it today, but since we had the storm and everything, the basement's a little damp, and I have the humidifier going all the time now. So I want to make sure that everything dries good. So I would have a good couple dry days. So if I have to do it during the week, I'll post it and then post it on Monday's DIY video. So all we have to do is take care of this wall. And I am undecided whether I'm going to leave this post here with the lamp on it or move it to the other wall there. I think it will look better over there. So we'll see. So as you can see, this texture comes down to about here. So I do have enough of these thick panels that we can do it, because the so I'll be doing it like, say, to here, sticking the panel up and sticking this panel here, so there's plenty of room to do it. This would go like this, all the way across, all the way around. I think I have enough of them to do this, just that, and then put this wood panel trim back up, which I'm saving. I have them all over here, these pieces over here and over there. I have to cut up all this wood, ship it out, and that's basically what I'm doing. Then I'm going to paint this, clean these steps, clean everything good with the rug, because the rug is good, and paint the walls probably a cream color and replace the ceiling tiles that are damaged. And that's basically it for DIY Monday. The next project will be me showing you how to put these pieces on, and after I paint the wall. So hopefully I plan to get that done by Monday of next week, and I will show you on DIY Mondays. And then the following week we'll be upstairs. I'll show you the shelves that I'm putting up, and hopefully have that done, and do a tour of the media room and a tour of down here, my fish room, and my DIY station down here. Until next time, go to it. Do a DIY project if you can. There's a lot of things on YouTube or anything place you can go. Look at them. See if you can do it. If you can't do it, always get help. I appreciate it. I appreciate people that have subscribed to the channel. Keep doing those DIY projects. Watch YouTube. Watch my Pond and Garden channel, Hauling with Stephen F channel, the Monday DIY channel, and of course Fish Tank Thursdays. And every day I post a video on the DIY, not on the DIY channel, but on the Pond and Garden Sanctuary. I post the video almost every day. I will see you next Monday on another DIY. Remember, like, comment, subscribe, share, ding that bell. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, subscribe. It's over here somewhere on the bottom. I will see you in the next video. Thanks, and don't forget to watch Tuesday for the Pond and Garden Sanctuary Lawn and Garden video. I have a lot to show you. I'll see you then, and see you next time on Monday DIYs. Stay safe and be careful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.